Hey, we're Youth Power Climate Action, and here are our 4 Rs. Remind people to vote. We write postcards and text messages to remind people to vote. Most people care about the environment, so the more people who vote, the better it is for the climate.
Our second R is replacing refrigerants. The gases used in refrigerators are up to 4,000 times more potent than carbon dioxide. We want to replace those super polluting systems. Our first step is finding out what refrigerants are used in our communities. We are helping Alameda Natural Grocery transition to climate-friendly refrigerants.
Our third R is rethink flying. Planes spew more pollution than any other form of transport. We invite Bay Area youth to write essays, speeches, and draw pictures to show why expanding Oakland Airport is a bad idea. You can enter our contests at youthpowerclimateaction.org.
Our fourth R is to reach out to other groups. Stopping climate change will take all of us, working together. We work with Reclaim Our Vote and Commit to Democracy. Trinity Forestry Services in Uganda, because while Africa has contributed almost nothing to climate change, the people there suffer the worst effects. 100K trees for humanity. Fridays for Future, El Cerrito. Stop Waste, Alameda County.
Join us.
May the four arms be with you.